Guys, it's been a while since I uploaded a video. Yeah. So let's go to this universe sandbox that we played. Okay. I know it's been a while. It's been like 1 year or 2 years. So please subscribe and like. I've lost a lot of subscribers. Universe sandbox. Here we go. Yeah, loading. Okay, there's the music. Yeah, I know. Okay, so this video is what if the sun was replaced with Antares? Okay, so this is a crazy idea. I know it's gonna consume our planet, but I want to see if the habitable zone will be bigger or even suitable for the Saturns to be habitable. I know it's not habitable, even though the temperature might be habitable. It's like gas giant, so there's basically no way this is gonna be habitable, even though its temperature is right. Okay, so what do I do with where's stars? Where's Antares? Okay, it's the whole. Okay, are you kidding? Okay. I now I understand why. Now I understand why I said crazy. Oh. No, I don't. Yeah, I know. Okay. No. Do not collide with Jupiter. Please. Do not Yeah. Out of view, not habitable. Okay. Okay, these might be rogue objects. No, they're not. Okay, none of them are in the habitable zone. All of them are just supernova. Oh my gosh. Dude! What the hell? Pluto's burning! Oh my gosh, do not please collide. Satellite flying by Jupiter? Are you kidding me? It's a satellite? What? Why is it a satellite flying by Jupiter? It can't be. What? It has to be up. What? Okay, anyways, do you guys know what the planet 400, what the system Kepler 442 is? Okay, so I have the system, okay? Where's this way? There must be okay, where's Kepler 442e? Okay, where is it? I'm sure. Where's Kepler 400? Oh, there it is. Oh, let's get it, baby. I love my star. Okay, I wanted to milliseconds. There we go. We have to do it minimum, so that like we have no changes. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Let's see how big. What? Why is it sun? Okay, that's probably a glitch. Yeah, it's 2 suns and it's 6,070K. Why is it a sun? It's Kepler 442. Okay, what the hell? What kind of letter is that? Kepler. Kepler. 442. E. No, not 3. E. Okay. Where's the habitable zone? I need to see the freaking habitable zone. What? Okay. You. Oh. Yeah, I was dumb. Sorry. I was really dumb at that point. Okay, so we have our planet, Kepler 442e. And it should be orbiting here? Yeah. What? Why are you there? I don't want you there. I want your velocity. No, I don't want velocity. I want to move. You have to be here. Okay? Okay, let's see composition. Yeah, nice. Oh yes, Earth similarity 96%. Okay, we have to increase. How much is that? Okay, that just decreased the. Let's do 400. How's that? Okay, that increased. Again increased. Nice. 200. Again. Okay, nice. 1. Come on. Okay. No, it's definitely a no. That's way too less water. Yeah, I guess it's that. Just wait until you take a picture of this with your phone. It's so like Earth. Where's my photos? Done. Okay, so overview. What? Nah, it doesn't matter. Let's see surface. Okay, why is it composition? Yeah, it just told me that Earth similarity 96.7. You know it has to be hot. What? Yeah, never mind. Average temperature, minimum temperature. That one is wrong. It's nice on this day. Okay, this is a very cool. What? Okay, so let's add our second planet. Where's Kepler 442e1? Let's get it. Okay, so this guy has to be a little bit colder because, yeah. Oh my gosh. What? I don't understand. Yeah, never mind. It's E1. And this guy's E2. So, yeah. Let's just name your... Save this object as E2. Ha! And I have to take another photo. Done. Okay, so view, orbits. I don't want trails. Okay, so these appearances. Okay, I don't want X. Infant's color, darker. And you. Come on. Oh, finally. Oh, why is it always set to this? You also have to be safe. Say I know, replace. Okay, so this is the planet of no, this is the system of Kepler 442. And yeah, and I accidentally named it as E, which is not supposed to be there. And also these guys have to be named B E E E E E 2. Save this object. B2. Yay. I love it. And you have to be named B1. Thank God. B1. Boo! Okay, it's a lot harder. Save this object. Save. Okay, so yeah, this system has this is the only name of this system. There might be other planets, and if these are B and there are other planets that are closer to the sun, there might be a whole solar system like ours. So bye. I hope you enjoyed. Now I have to exit. Yay. What? I have to do this. What should I do, guys? Comments in the section, okay? I'm just gonna do somewhat satisfied. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.